今日咧，我哋兩位司儀好開心，多謝大家咧去見證我哋嗰個開幕典禮。宏豐咧已經同大家咧度過咗超過30年嘅時間，但係過去呢10年咧，好明顯咧發展係非常迅速。一陣我哋會再講下。希望大家咧俾啲掌聲。我今日嘅司儀拍檔阿 Queen 好唔好嚇？佢咧平時係歌唱老師嚟嘅，
謝謝。
She's a singing coach and she's partnering with me today。我係電台嘅碧咸，好開心啊
謝謝大家，在我們這歌聲與歡笑中呢，我們今天無比榮幸的與各位相聚於此，共同見證一個榮耀的時刻。我們多倫多宏豐門窗公司獨家新展廳呢，今天盛大開業。
好，來一點掌聲好不好？
也祝將來宏圖大展，風采起航。那首先呢，請允許我們代表宏豐門窗的全體同仁，對各位的到來表示最熱烈的歡迎和最衷心的感謝，感謝各位。
Yes, so I think that was absolutely nice. I'll follow you. So who's part of the Winford team? 邊個係我哋宏豐嘅？舉舉手好唔好啊？If you're part of the Winford team, can we give a big round of applause to everyone here today? 我哋俾啲掌聲現場其他嘅嘉賓朋友啊。We've been growing rapidly. Now you realize that we're not just Winford Windows. We also have Winford Contracting, and the Zero Degree Design Studio is over there, same building. And we also have Winford Contracting, and now we have this showroom for you to pick your favorite interior design and the exterior doors as well. The doors and windows and houses are essentially the most important investment to every single Canadian. So that's why Winford has been growing. They realize that with your partnership, they are making a lot of Canadians very happy.
大家都知道，宏豐門窗呢是一個專注於品質與服務的品牌。今天以其全新的面貌，在多倫多這片熱土上華麗地綻放了。
So right now, ladies and gentlemen, to tell you all the story about what Winford is about, what Winford will be, and to formally welcome everyone, I think this is a great time to welcome the visionary, the leader of the group, our CEO and President, Mr. William Cho.
歡迎。那接下來呢，是吧？我們就歡迎我們的創始人之一 William 登場。William 曹為大家致辭。
我哋多倫多慣咗叫曹總㗎，大家俾啲掌聲曹總好唔好啊
？OK， 今日好高興又再見到所有熟悉嘅面孔。OK， 多謝在座各位今日光臨我哋宏豐建築、宏豐門窗Zero Degree 嘅Grand Opening。OK， 再一次代表公司全體員工，多謝大家今日嘅來臨。OK， 喺呢度咧，我想趁住今日呢個日子咧，好簡短咁樣重新定義一下我哋宏豐，同埋咧等更加多嘅朋友咧知道咧我哋宏豐喺過去嗰10年做咗啲乜嘢。OK， 在座好多可能都好熟悉我哋宏豐門窗呢個品牌。喺過去嗰30幾年咧，我哋專注喺創造高品質嘅門窗、高品質嘅服務，提供喺我哋成個大多倫多地區所有我哋嘅華人朋友啦，周邊嘅其他族裔啦，一啲主流嘅朋友啦。OK， 咁咧就我本人咧就係2015年加入宏豐，有幸咧就接手呢個品牌。一路做到依家，因為我本人過往嘅經驗咧，係帶到一啲多嘅新嘅營業模式俾我哋宏豐，咁所以咧我哋公司嘅業務咧就一路咧由好單一嘅以前做門窗產品啦 ，home improvement product 啦，咁咧就進而咧就我哋係做埋咧建築啦、裝修啦。起屋啦，起 addition 啦，咁當然咧就更進一步咧就係我哋由單一嘅單住戶 ，OK， 普通嘅 residential 咧，我哋去做埋咧一個 commercial 嘅 market，OK， 咁我哋現在咧就喺過去嗰幾年咧，宏豐建築咧就 幫我哋大多倫多周邊地區好多嘅一啲 co-op housing 咧，我哋又做咗好多嘅建築啦、翻新啦、外牆維修啦、屋頂維修啦、防水啦，所有嘅我哋行內嗌做咧係總包嘅項目。咁我哋嘅理念咧就係話咧，盡量咧以我哋嘅憑我哋嘅經驗，憑我哋嘅服務，去將我哋嘅客戶去服務好，幫佢哋慳到錢。OK， 廣東話嗌做一家便宜兩家着，做好我哋嘅品質嘅服務。咁所以咧喺過往咧，我哋專注咧，如果可以做得到嘅，全部係我哋公司自己內部嘅夥計去 handle。如果有一啲咧係需要外包出去嘅，我哋先會外包出去。譬如屋頂啦、嗰個木結構啦、水泥結構啦、一啲防水嗰啲咧，咁我哋會外包。基本上咧，所有外牆嘅維修啊、門窗嘅更換啊、室內嘅裝修啊，查實咧全部都係由宏豐自己 in-house 嘅夥計去 handle 嘅。咁啊喺過往個10幾年，個市場一路喺度變緊啦。我哋嘅地產市場得益於過去嗰10幾年嘅蓬勃發展，咁所以咧，我哋公司咧都有咗一個好長駐嘅一個大嘅進步。咁當然亦都要感謝在座所有嘅朋友啊、親戚啊、客戶啊，過往嘅一路嘅支持。咁所以咧，我哋今日咧先會有機會咧，搬到一個更加大嘅地方 ，OK， 可以容納多啲夥計，可以咧有更加大嘅陳列室咧，去展示我哋更加多嘅產品。我哋公司咧係現時市面上咧，以我所知咧係唯一一間咧，我哋咧係喺門窗方面咧係做到咧係最全面嘅、最專業嘅公司之一。我哋有塑膠窗啦。我哋有鋁合金窗啦，我哋有玻璃纖維窗啦，我哋有木窗啦，我哋係適應咧，差唔多係囊括晒所有嘅服務嘅範圍，包括埋咧我哋依家見到嗰啲咧，呢啲商業樓宇嘅前邊嘅鋁合金門啦、curtain wall 啦，呢啲嗌做咧entrance door 啦，呢啲商業上嘅項目咧，我哋公司都係有涉獵嘅嚇。咁最近咧就因為過去嗰幾年咧，成個氣候咧不停地喺度變暖啦。咁我哋公司咧亦都咧係希望咧係與時並進。咁不停地提高我哋門窗產品嘅高效啦、節能啦、環保啦、隔音啦 ，OK， 全方位地去提升。咁所以咧，我哋現時嘅產品咧已經係由以前嘅普通嘅雙層玻璃，已經升級到雙層玻璃 with low E 啦，甚至乎已經係去到3層玻璃啊、4層玻璃啊都係有㗎啦。咁近期咧就大家可能頭先都已經有睇到咧，我哋其中有一個展廳咧，我哋嗌做 Passive House Selection。咁呢個咧係未來嘅一個發展嘅趨勢。咁現時咧，大家咧都係公認咧喺門窗界咧呢一個標準咧，可以咁講。簡單地理解咧，就係我哋以前嘅門窗嘅產品咧，可能係一架 BMW， 一架 Benz， 咁但係咧，依家咧嗰個 Passive House 嘅產品咧，可以咧係將佢比喻成勞斯萊斯嗰個級別嘅啦。OK， 係產品之中嘅最高級別嘅產品。OK， 希望咧我哋公司咧可以秉承我哋過往嘅優良嘅傳統，繼續提供更好嘅產品、更好嘅服務。希望喺未來個日子繼續服務好我哋社區。Thank you. Also, at this portion, I would like to represent in English. In here, so we have all our product supplier is already come to our grand opening event as well. So One of our great product is our vinyl window product. Is also our Winford Black and Butter. Okay, so I would like to invite the president of KV Custom Windows and Doors, Kevin, come up and have a short speech.
So please welcome Kevin.
Hi, everybody. What a great day. What a great event. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've watched William come into the business over the last how many years?
11 years.
11 years. We grew up together a little bit in the business as KV was growing and as William was growing Winford, and it's been a beautiful relationship. It's been a beautiful success story. And today is the icing on top of the cake for you. Congratulations. Congratulations to the Winford family.
Yep.
We appreciate you and the success that you're having, and we look forward to spending many, many years working together.
Of course.
That's really all I have to say.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Kevin.
那接下来呢，让我们掌声有请我们万锦市陈国志副市長給大家致辭，歡迎。
Our Deputy Mayor Michael Chan. Thank you.
Thank you very much. William，你唔好走啊！頭先咧，William 講嘢，最令到我關注嘅咧就係勞斯萊斯啊！你有咩剩餘嘅勞斯萊斯？唔該你彈一兩架過嚟啊！
裏邊擺滿晒。
I'm delighted to be here, and on behalf of the city of Markham, our mayor, thanks committee, and also members of council, I want to bring you the warmest greetings. 34年嘅過程，10年嘅精心努力，就見證咗我哋可以見證咗今日喺呢度嘅輝煌。多謝阿 William 啊，你過去10年啊，能夠令到宏豐門窗可以講係脫胎換骨。頭先同你短短一句説話咧，就知道啊，你能夠把以前嘅普通嘅門窗嘅裝修啊，能夠令到咧去到呢個 commercial 啊，喺呢個商業方面咧發展咧，咁啊真係宏圖大展啊！咁啊，當然啦，代表萬錦市就係好高興能夠宏豐門窗喺萬錦市搬嚟萬錦市，咁啊分別當然咧係擴大咗啦嚇。咁啊今日能夠喺呢度見證啲花咁多啊，裏邊都行過下，我知道咧就係你一定可以繼續宏圖大展嚇，為我哋萬錦市嘅人民，包括安省嘅人民咧，繼續努力服務，令到我哋嘅生活咧能夠日日都可以豐富。多謝。
鸭胡同乡会会长曹达强，同时呢，他也是鸿福饮食集团总裁，欢迎您。
So, ladies and gentlemen, someone who is very dear to William because they share the same birthplace that they came from in near Guangzhou, China, and he's also a philanthropist, a very successful business person. He's the owner of the Very Fair food industry. They have like 3 restaurants across GTA now. 不過俾我講兩句先嚇，因為咧我今日咧一定要提一提嘅。咁啊，我知咧頭先曹總咧 William 咧兩位都姓曹，兩位都係曹生啊。佢一定係當你係偶像嘅，因為咧佢即係去邊度咧都兩夫婦一齊咧，就係都係跟阿強哥學嘅。你今日睇阿強哥件恤衫咧，係要襯翻阿珍姐嘅頭髮呢下咧，嗱呢啲真係咧，大家做老公嘅要學下啦。俾啲掌聲阿強哥好唔好啊？ Thank you, thank you。
好，多謝大家嚟到 William 呢個開幕式。喺度我代表鴨湖同鄉會祝宏豐門窗開業第吉，財源廣進，生意興隆。亦係喺度咧，代表所有個鄉親向呢個睇齊。 喺10年間有咁個成績，係我哋兄弟嘅驕傲。
多謝強哥，多謝強哥。
多謝大家喺度祝大家身體健康，生意興隆啊！多謝。
嗱，第一樣嘢咧，就要多謝佢哋咧落戶喺萬錦市，因為咁樣咧，我係萬錦市咧經濟咧好到不得了，因為咧我係萬錦市嘅文化經濟發展委員會主席，咁樣變咗咧非常之多謝佢落戶萬錦市，要繼續努力，我哋要繼續支持，多謝。
多謝何議員。
谢谢，非常感謝我們萬錦市區議員何福景先生，謝謝您。
好多謝晒豪景區域議員嚇。Again, I'd like to thank Regional Councillor Alan Ho from the City of Markham and York Region. And now, please welcome my mentor. 其實講嘢，其實佢平時唔係好想講嘢，因為星期一至五都講咗好多啦。但係今日喺度一定要佢講下嘢嘅。俾啲掌聲我嘅好朋友廖立輝市議員嚇，嚟自列治文山市嘅 Councillor Castro Liu from the City of Richmond Hill. Thank you.
大家好，咁啊喺度咧衷心恭賀黃豐門昌曹總啦，咁啊今日咧非常之開心啊，見到仔仔一堂，咁啊黃豐門昌咧過去30年喺社區裏邊咧好多嘅貢獻，亦都為好多嘅市民，為咗好多嘅居民咧提供最好嘅服務，咁啊喺度咧多謝你。咁啊雖然我今日踩過界呢度萬錦市啊，咁啊但係咧我知道好多嘅顧客咧都喺列治文山都幫襯黃豐門昌嚇，咁啊喺度咧恭祝你哋生意興隆嚇。事業蒸蒸日上，更多嘅30年，恭喜晒！
謝謝我們列治文山市政府議員廖立輝先生對我們紅楓門窗的祝賀，謝謝您。
Yeah, I'm Isa Lee. I'm actually very honored to be the local councillor here at City of Markham. Once again, we'd like to congratulations to Winford Windows and wish you all enjoyed a great time. I know we're actually you already started the first part of the speaking and on the about the ceremony. So I'll just probably wait for the mayor to come and to say share a little bit more. He is the representative of the City of Markham, but just would like to congratulate you once again. 好多謝即係雲峰門窗啦，真係好虛閒，我好期待一陣間咧有一個 tour 可以入去參觀下，咁啊祝你哋嘅業務咧蒸蒸日上，繼續，因為一陣間市長都會講噶啦，你會喺我哋呢一度咧 Markham 嘅 tax 咧 business tax 係真係最低嘅啦，低平通全個 GTA 應該咁講，咁我唔 steal 佢嘅 word， 一陣間等佢 share 啦，咁啊多謝晒，恭喜晒，恭喜晒。
Thank you.
I just want to congratulate you. You know, businesses have their ups and downs, but you have stayed strong. You've continued to grow with your window business now for 34 years. That's an incredible achievement. And I know that your contracting side is now about 5 years that they've been in business. And again, great success. And, you know, very few companies, some can manufacture well, some can distribute, some can sell, but very few companies are able to combine both the manufacturing, distribution, and the contracting side. And so I think it really says a lot about William's leadership and his business sense. So I am just here, proud to be here on a beautiful Saturday, celebrating the grand opening of Winford Windows and Winford Contracting, along with members of council. And I just want to say I brought your first tax bill. The next one will come in an envelope, though, William. No, it's not just a certificate to congratulate this great day. It's on behalf of Mayor and members of council. Congratulations to Winford Windows and to Winford Contracting in celebration of your grand opening right here at 175 Riviera Drive in Markham. And if I could ask members of council to please come up and join me. Congratulations, William, and continued success.